Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to thicken the borders of our talkback focus indicator in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for our talkback options and functions? We need to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility menu right here, and here we have our talkback function. Then in settings, we have a few options that we are interested in. For example, customize focus indicator. And here we have our thick borders that we can use here. This is the indicator that will follow our selection when the talkback function is on. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.